back to my channel. I am Carrie Tribble and I create content related to beauty, spirituality, and lifestyle. Today's video is all about Covergirl. I received a package from them just yesterday actually. They sent this to me. I was so excited to get this. It's my first time ever collabing or working with this company in terms of trying out some of their products and mentioning them on my channel. So I was freaking out when they contacted me and said that they would like to send me a few things. They are coming out with a new line called the Vitalist Healthy Glow collection. And so they sent me a little bit of information about it, and then here is the products a little bit more in depth. So I will go ahead and read from this and talk about them with you. The first thing that I saw right away when I opened up the package are these two babies. This is their Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotions. They only have two shades. They have Daybreak and Sun-Kissed Soleil, or Soleil. I don't know, I never know how to pronounce that. What they do is they're a lotion, so it provides moisturization with an irresistible all-over glow. The hydrating formula is infused with vitamins to give you the appearance of healthy skin, while the lightweight moisturizer will help you put your best face forward and glow from within. It retails for $8.99 and it becomes available this month. So they just released it. And then on here it shows it has vitamins E, B3, and B5. So I love that. And I noticed I have combination skin, and when I applied it on my skin today, I tried it without putting any other moisturizer before this. I just used this as my actual moisturizer. And I thought it was great. It performed really nicely. It has like a very it has a scent that reminds me of nuts. like a very woody type scent. It's really interesting. I thought that overall it did provide a little bit of a glow, but I'm used to using my Pixie luminizing lotion that has a little bit more of a glow to it, so it didn't have as much, but I still thought it was a really nice product and it looked really nice under my foundation. And then the next thing that I used from this line was the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. This is really nice. It's just like a push-up concealer, so you just like twist it and the product comes up and then you just paint it on your skin. And then I blended it out with my Sephora. This is my favorite, one of my favorite concealer brushes. It's the Airbrush Concealer Brush from Sephora, and it comes in a kit. I don't know if you can get it individually. I know back when I got it, it only came in the kit, but if you can get it solo, it's amazing. The concealer says that it's available in 6 shades. It covers skin's imperfections without piling on a heavy layer thanks to its creamy formula, infused with vitamins E, B3, and B5. Use the soft brush tip to hide blemishes, while the formula works to help improve overall texture for a bright, healthy look. The concealer is $8.99, so I actually use this to highlight and conceal. I actually haven't tried this over a blemish, but you know what? Since something is peeking through right here, I'm just going to go ahead and try right now. Why not? I think if you have very light blemishes, it would work, but you probably would want a little bit more of a thicker concealing product to use for that. They also sent over these Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighting creams. It reminds me of the packaging from the Maybelline Tattoo, and the formula kind of reminds me of that too. But this is definitely a little bit more slippery to the consistency. They sent me 2 colors. I have Sundown, which is number 5, which I actually put on my lids today, so it was like a base for my eyeshadow. And then they sent me number 4, which is the color Sun-Kissed Eclat Bronze. The highlighters are $8.99. It has a really pretty creamy consistency, and then it sets on the skin. So I'm just going to swatch these for you so you can see what they look like. So they say highlighters, but I'm not sure if you were supposed to wear them on your cheeks or anything like that. It didn't really say eyeshadows, even though I used the one for eyeshadow because there's no way I could put this on my cheeks or anything like that to highlight. Here are the 2 colors. This is number 4, the Sun-Kissed, and then this is number 5, which is the Sundown. They're really pretty for like a nice wash of color over the lids, and just something to throw on if you're like wanting a really natural look to your face, your makeup that day. They would be perfect for that. Then they also sent me their CoverGirl Look Lock Up All Day Setting Mist Spray. It says, works as hard to keep your glam in place as you do to apply it. Make sure your luminous look lasts all day by spraying a light mist all over to lock in color and keep your face looking fresh. It's $9.99 and you get 3.4 fluid ounces. I also thought that the spray was pretty nice and even, and it smells really, really good. Like a sweet, clean scent, if that makes sense. The last product that I got from them is their Vitalist Elixir Lip Oil. They come in packaging like this. And I received the colors. This is Cherry Crush and Melon Granita. That's kind of cool. The Vitalist Elixir Lip Oil is a blend of nourishing oils with a lightweight texture that instantly melts onto your lips. Available in 6 shades, the lip oil works hard to deeply hydrate, condition, and soften your lips, while the tint enhances the beauty of your natural lip color. And these retail for $6.99. And I do really like this. I've been wearing this all day today, and what I really like most about this is how comfortable and hydrating it is on the lips, but it leaves behind a really pretty color. Like I applied this probably about 3 hours ago, and it's still on my lips. The color anyways, like the hint of it. I think this would be really perfect for going to the pool, to the ocean, to the lakes. This is Cherry Crush, and this pink one is also a really pretty color. I'm going to show you what it looks like swatched. It doesn't look like much on my hand, but when you actually put it on, it does add a nice, really, really pretty color to your lips, and it's so comfortable. It does feel like oil, but it's so flattering to the lips. It makes them look luscious and just juicy. They smell so good. A fruity type of scent. It's something that I don't think would offend a lot of people. It's sort of that, I don't know, it reminds me of a girl who's wearing flavored lip gloss with like delicious smelling gum, and you just want to be near her. Like that's what this reminds me of. And then I swatched the Cherry Crush for you on my hand, and again, it doesn't look like much on the skin. Like if you were to swatch this, you wouldn't think that these were anything special, but don't hesitate on this. Like these are really nice. I think I'm most excited about these because one, I've never had anything like this in my life. Like this is such a unique kind of product to me. I think I've heard of companies coming out with stuff similar to this, but I haven't tried it personally before, and I'm really glad that this was my first experience trying this because I love how it smells. I love how it feels on my lips. My lips are being moisturized, but there's a nice, really pretty color to them. So when I'm working on my customers, I know that it fades really, really beautifully, and it looks really good no matter what. There's hours that will go by that I can't like check on my makeup or anything, so it's really important for it to be long wearing. So overall, what I think is I don't have the color to put on my cheekbones or anything like that, but as far as like these 2 shades go, you might like them as highlighters, but since I could only really test them out on my eyes to kind of get a feel for what they would be like, I'm not like totally sold on these. This isn't something that I'm saying you need to run out and get, but again, I couldn't really test it in the way that they were designed for. These, you must get them. They are so beautiful and comfortable, and they smell good, and they're affordable. I love these, so make sure you check these out. I think that the setting spray mist is actually pretty good. I have not touched my makeup, and I purposefully did this video to show you, me getting ready earlier today. I got ready around 11 this morning, and it's now 6 o'clock at night, and I feel that aside from a little bit of oil starting to peek through on the tip of my nose and my middle of my forehead and right here, which is normally where I get oily, I think that the spray held up pretty well with the foundation and that moisturizer. The luminizing moisturizers, if you have oily skin, can sometimes really accentuate your oil, but this one did not, and I thought that was really cool. So I think that this is a really good spray, and I think it's worth checking out for sure. The concealer is nice. I feel like it wasn't as lifting or illuminating as others that I've tried, but I still think that it's a nice concealer and something that would be nice to just throw on when you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, especially as it gets warm outside again. I think that this would be something worth checking out too. If you want more of a fuller coverage and lifting effect, then there's other concealers out there that I think would do a better job. And last but not least, these luminizing lotions. So I think that they performed really well. I think that if you are having a no makeup day, like a legitimate no makeup day, not one of those like, I want to look like I don't have makeup on, like, I don't know. I always think that that's so funny. Like, why don't you just do like a very natural makeup day versus a no makeup day? Like, just don't wear makeup. You want a no makeup day. But anyways, I think that this would be really nice to just put on your face for a no makeup day. Just put this as your lotion, and you could put a little bit of this just for like a bronzing effect over here on your like cheekbones, just to warm up the face, and you're good. You know, just a simple day, no makeup, put on moisturizer, throw on something like this. I think they're great. If you want more of a luminizing product or luminizing lotion, there are others out there that perform a little bit better in my opinion. But other than that, I think that these are pretty good products to check out, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. A big thank you to Covergirl for sending me these products. It was so fun to explore some of the new stuff that you're coming out with, and it just meant a lot to me. So again, just thank you for everything and for making my day. Alright guys, that concludes my video. Thank you so much for hanging out. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you want to learn more about me, my website is carrietribble.com. And I think that's about it. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.